Hey, welcome back. Another exciting episode. You probably just saw us do a little grinding on the windshield. We got the edges all done there.
Yep.
Used the crack set stuff that didn't seem to do anything. So hopefully it did something. A lot of money for nothing. Probably gonna write an angry email. But anyway, what we did, well, that was happening. We cut this windshield rubber to fit because it's smaller. We had to cut the tails off the windshield molding, and then we used some super duper glue to glue it together. So that's what we're gonna do now is pull this rubber out, and then we have to install our installing rope into the rubber. And then we put the rubber over the glass, then we set it in the hole, and we pull our rubber, or no, we pull our
Rope.
cord,
Not
rope, and then just smack the out of it while we do that, and then it'll go right in.
Yeah, in theory.
Or it won't fit because it doesn't fit the hole. We'll probably tinky juice the hell out of this rubber inside and out.
Tinky juice is explained.
Well, tinky juice is just code for soapy water. Here's what we had to cut off. Well, it's kind of an inside thing. Try not to do it anymore, but I still end up doing it. Okay, I would set that corner up there like that. You want to slide yours on? I can assist. There we go. I think I am. Yeah. Oh.
Where should I?
There we go. If the rubber's way too big, that means the windshield's way too small. Is it too big?
Here.
Perfect. Means it'll go in easier.
Yeah.
Okay. Which side do you want? That side? Okay.
Yep.
We'll tip it straight up. Make sure to cradle the... Grab the Tinky when you come, would you, Junior? Call him Tinky Junior.
Yep. For people on motorcycles. Well, I should watch where I'm going, huh?
Yeah.
Yeah, maybe a little bit.
Maybe I'm on the
Sacrifice the body. Okay. Let's see, we want the rubber, or we want the whatchamacallits on the inside there. You gotta go your way? Okay. Are you down? No. Tinky juice? Damn it. Damn it. I didn't want you to spray it, I just wanted it handy over here.
Oh. Sorry.
Just ever so slightly. Maybe both. Yeah, like about here and here maybe. Yeah, just ever so slight pressure because we're going good on the middle. Okay, we're going pretty good. We're doing all right. Maybe can you push in with your thumbs just slightly on the rubber itself? Okay. Do you see that going over the lip? Can you see that?
That's what I'm getting on camera.
We kind of gotta. I'm gonna come out and give her a couple of slaps. Just something like this. Oh, we're going down pretty good, huh?
Yeah.
That's not bad. Okay, all right. Okay. Okay, I'm gonna blind you with the light, but I gotta be able to see here.
Yeah, no, I don't. As long as I know what I'm supposed to be doing here.
Yeah, just keep following me.
Yep.
Following with a little pressure. The corners are gonna be the real bee sting.
Can you come over I was gonna have you come over here and put pressure. I'm about at the end of my wingspan.
This is gonna be the challenge. Not too much, because that's our cracked side. We're coming.
Is that direction?
Eli's got the crack.
Oh yeah.
What we could do is pause there, and I might have to sit in Carl's lap here.
Yeah, and get that side down in it.
If I get in here, huh? Am I, there it is.
Yep. Down a little more.
Okay. So I just don't want to pull it off the glass, you know?
Yeah, it's
Yeah, hold it. There you go, yeah.
yeah, we were off the glass a little.
Okay. Okay, okay. There it goes. Are we on the glass still?
Yep.
Okay, you ready? Gotta put some pressure in now. Just a little bit.
Yep. Our outside flap's wanting to go inside the A-pillar.
Okay, maybe we better pause there.
Here.
You want to tinker up and then, whoop, sorry. Whoop.
It's a little high stakes. Huh?
Oops, maybe go up here, or like right.
Yep. Right there.
Yes, yes. Yeah, we're gonna get her now.
I could even come down just to see.
That'd be perfect, yeah, that would, yep, yep. Okay, we're almost there. Yep. Almost there. Almost there. Okay, up a little higher. Yep. Yep.
Towards you.
Yeah, but we gotta be careful.
Oh, it's come off the glass out here.
Did it?
Yep. That thing by hand.
Yeah, this corner is gonna be a real. Oh yeah. I gotta get her a little ting-tastic.
Down.
Just kind of down and in, but. Just kind of giving her the bad baby, you know?
It looks like it's moving.
Yeah, it's working.
Yep, it is. You want me to like give a
No, the trick is to just like spread your weight out when you slap. If you pinpoint, that's gonna crack just like I did it, you know?
Okay. Do you want a smack or?
Usually my wife's job.
It's moving.
Is it?
Yeah.
Okay, it's looking real nice. Keep palming her up there at the top.
I was just pushing down on the rubber.
Yeah, give her some smacks. Gentle. Yeah, it's going pretty nice.
I guess that was gentle. Extra gentle.
It's bad baby, not bad inmate. There you go. Yeah, give her some more palmage. A little more, right in that corner. Okay, how's that looking? Okay, hold up.
Pretty close.
Okay.
Better never get in an accident or hit any wildlife.
Okay, you want to keep going the bad baby there, and we'll,
Break that windshield.
Oh yeah.
yeah. Well, we're not screwed. We can do this again. We did it once, we can do it twice.
Yeah.
I remember using like Freall or JB80 on this job. Don't do that.
Yeah.
Nightmare to clean, all greasy.
That one that I did with help assist with your dad was grease
Yeah, that's
and a rope.
ugly to clean off too.
I think it was on that green truck.
Sounds
Oh,
disgusting.
Jason's?
Yeah. You want
Okay.
a smack?
Yeah, give her some smacks. let's start. I'm gonna pull from this side now. Oh yeah. Mikey likey. She's almost home. Easy, easy, easy. There it is. We gotta go more though. We gotta do some more, more in. But I think if we can go like I think I might like, maybe a guy could silicone that or something underneath the rubber just for a better seal or something, you know, because the windshield is slightly, ho 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 ho.
Wow.
Hell yeah, brother.
Woo! Where's
Hell yeah. TM work.
Where's it going? Oh, inside. Somebody's not cleaning her very well.
Okay, you do it.
I cleaned enough, man.
Sad but true.
All right, cool. Well, thanks for joining us today. That was a successful operation of installing the chopped windshield. So hope you learned something. If you got any questions, I'm always willing to try my best to answer them. And yeah, I feel good about that.
Yeah. We can sleep a little better at night now.
Yeah.
Just a little.
Yeah, just a little.
Not
There's
much, but-
still a lot of other things to keep me awake.
Anyways,
Anyway, yeah.
thanks for tuning in.
Yeah, thanks for stopping by,
appreciate it.
checking it out. See you at Van Nats.
Yeah. See you, Van Nance. You got a first timer right here for Van Nance.
Puppy trucker.
Yeah, puppy trucker. I have no idea what's in store for me for you people at home that are watching. I'm sure you know, but
Yeah, we're gonna do full hazing on this guy.
I'm ready. I am more than ready.
In a future episode, oh, sorry, go ahead.
If you haven't yet, hit that like button, subscribe, share with your friends. We appreciate you. We're looking forward to seeing you in Van Nance. Hand you back over to Mike.
So in a future episode, we're going to be probably tackling these side glasses. And perhaps we'll be prepping all the other vans that need to go also. So
Yep.
yeah, that's about all I got. So thanks for tuning in.
Yep. Catch you on the flip side.